Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Yamini LS Kit. We'll cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Lupin Ltd. Yamini LS Kit. Uses. Yamini LS Kit is used for contraception. That means it helps prevent unwanted pregnancy when used correctly and consistently. Benefits. Yamini LS Kit prevents pregnancy through multiple mechanisms. It stops the release of eggs from the ovaries, thickens the cervical mucus to block sperm, and alters the uterine lining to prevent egg implantation. It's a safe, effective, and non-intrusive method of contraception when taken properly. Side effects. While effective, Yamini LS Kit may cause some side effects. These include nausea, stomach pain, headache, breast pain, irregular bleeding, vaginal discharge, and yeast infections. Always consult your doctor if any symptoms persist or become severe. How to use. Take Yamini LS Kit exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Swallow the tablet whole. Do not crush or chew it. It can be taken with or without food, but it's best to take it at the same time every day to maintain effectiveness. How it works. Yamini LS Kit is a combined oral contraceptive pill. It works by preventing ovulation, hindering sperm movement, and modifying the uterine lining. These actions together ensure the chances of pregnancy are minimized when used consistently.